Assalamu alaikum students. So today we are going to start our second stanza from Rubayat. So let's begin. Music of strange lands with Islam's fire blends. That here music of strange land means European culture or European civilization. With Islam's fire blends means with the if we blend the harmony of Islam with European culture. Okay, so here the poet actually says that if we try to blend, or if that's what's happening in today's life, that the modern Muslim actually tries to blend the European culture with the Islamic harmony. So if we blend these two, then what would happen, what would possibly happen? Here the poet actually discussed this very issue, on which the nation's harmony depends. Harmony means oneness or unity. कि किस तरह से if we blend these two together, then what would happen next? और किस तरह से वो इफ़ेक्ट करेगा नेशन की हार्मोनी को, वननेस को या यूनिटी को. हियर एक्चुअली पोइट एक्चुअली डिस्कस दैट द यूरोपियन इन यूरोपियन कल्चर और इन यूरोपियन सिविलाइजेशन every person actually deals with his own sufferings on an individual level. तो यहाँ पे वो, और जो ऑन द अदर हैंड या फिर ऑन द कंट्री जो मुस्लिम्स हैं वो दे आर यूनाइटेड बाय द वननेस, और दे आर यूनाइटेड बाय द हार्मनी ऑफ देयर रिलीजन विच इज़ इस्लाम. तो इस्लाम की वजह से वो किस तरह से यूनाइटेड हैं, किस तरह से वो एक हैं, और किस तरह से यूरोपियन कल्चर में हर बंदा इंडिविजुअली सफ़र कर रहा है. तो अगर हम इन दोनों को इकट्ठा करेंगे, ब्लेंड करेंगे, तो क्या होगा? एम्प्टी ऑफ कनकर्ड इज़ द सोल ऑफ यूरोप. यहाँ पे यूरोपियन सोल की बात की है उन्होंने, कि जो यूरोपियन सोल है, ये यूरोपियन जो भी आप कह सकते हैं कल्चर है, इट एक्चुअली लैक्स ह्यूमैनिटी एंड हार्मोनी एंड विगर. कि किस तरह से वो डिप्राइव्ड हैं, किस तरह से वो that how they are divided by their own sufferings or their own आप कह सकते हैं मिस्टेक्स. और यहाँ पे जो फोर्थ लाइन है, whose civilization to know Makkah blends, that it is actually impossible to blend these two together because they are two poles of one. आप कह सकते हैं अगर ज़मीन है तो इसके ये दो पोल्स हैं, कि एक जो इस्लामिक हार्मोनी है एक बिल्कुल दूसरा पोल है, और जो यूरोपियन कल्चर है वो बिल्कुल एक सेकेंडरी पोल है. बिकॉज यूरोपियन सोसाइटी इज़ एक्चुअली बेस्ड ऑन मटेरियलिज्म एंड वन यूनिटी एंड आप कह सकते हैं आइसोलेशन, ठीक है, या एलिनेशन का जो आंसर है यूरोपियन सोसाइटी में वो पाया जाता है. ये है इसकी लाइन फॉर लाइन एक्सप्लेनेशन. अब हमारे सेकेंड स्टैंजा. Okay, so now we are going to explain this stanza as a whole. Okay, so in these lines or in this stanza, Iqbal actually presents his idea or his analysis that the European or Western culture or European or Western society and civilization lacks harmony, and it lacks fraternity, or it lacks brotherhood and goodwill, and they are materialistic, and they are fighting over the baseless things, and the religion actually guideless, have no appeal for them. And here Iqbal also criticizes that the Muslims for being captivated or for being so fascinated and allured by the modern culture of music and glamour of European world, which is actually ignorant and which is based on ignorance and materialism. And Islam is the only religion which brings harmony and unaccountable blessings and fraternity, which is actually brotherhood in the human society. And it has no light to guide or bless Western people, and they have no model like Islam to follow, and their civilization stands alienated and divided, and their civilization has no you can say dignity and direction to lead its followers. And however the Muslims have a great center, that is of course Makkah, which keeps all the Muslims united throughout the world. They gather together there, and with the one aim, they raise praise to Allah, and they through one language, which is of course Arabic, and in one uniform, which is of course ihram. So here Iqbal actually portrays, or Iqbal actually emphasizes that how these two societies are totally different from each other, and how we are not ready to combine these together. So this is all about your second paragraph.